Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to day 9 of the Merry Craftmas series for 2021. I'm co-hosting this fun event with my crafty BFF, Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. Today, I have a fun and whimsical design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. I have created this adorable Santa Pants gift bag. However, they are not any Santa pants. These are for Mrs. Claus. Before we get into the details of this project, I have a few announcements to make. First, I wanted to let you know that I will be continuing the Merry Craftmas series throughout the holidays. I still have lots of fun projects and gift ideas to share with you, as well as fun prizes. Which leads me into point number 2. Please be sure to watch this entire video from beginning to end because I will be giving away another clue for my second hidden giveaway. It could be in the beginning of the video, in the middle, or the end. You never know. You just have to keep watching. In order to participate, you must watch each of the videos in this series, you must leave a comment, and you must be a visible subscriber to my channel as well as to Michelle's channel. And last but not least, I want to thank all of my new and existing subscribers as well as my new visitors. I absolutely love reading all of your comments and your supportive, kind words. I am slowly but surely responding to each of your comments. However, I do see all of them, and when I read them, I will leave a little heart sign next to your message. If there is a question in the comment section, then I will go ahead and answer those. But I wanted to thank you again for joining me on this wonderful crafting adventure. Now, let's get into this project. As I mentioned, these are not just any pants. I've created these for Mrs. Claus. So on Christmas Eve, when Santa Claus is delivering presents to all the good little boys and girls around the world, Mrs. Claus is getting ready to go out for a night on the town with her girlfriends. And she's going to wear these wonderful, sophisticated, and sleek, skinny pants. I love the cream and the black plaid that has hints of gold foil and hot pink. I have coordinated these pants on the cuff with this fun light and dark pink plaid, and that's also carried on the top with these fun suspenders. This entire project is encrusted in a beautiful rhinestone. On the left side here, I have this beautiful floral cluster. In the back, I have this sparkly snowflake. I have black and white polka dot tulle. There's also silver glittered sprigs in the background. And then I love this oversized poinsettia. I created this using my Tim Holtz layered tattered poinsettia. And in the center, I've used a combination of silver and gold foam balls. For the belt buckle, I've cut that out in a gold foil, and the sentiment here, Merry Christmas, is from a Christmas ornament. And to the right, I have this fun pearl and rhinestone button on each end of the suspenders. On the bottom, I have another floral spray. We have 2 layered poinsettias here, more of this tulle and this silver glittered sprig. And then in the back, I have this cute little wooden deer that I've colored in gold paint. We've got a little bow and a snowflake here. And of course, this entire cluster is resting on another snowflake. This entire project is quite sizable. It measures 13.5 inches from the top to the bottom. It's 7 inches wide, and the depth is 3 5/8 inch. In addition to being a gift bag, this project would make a lovely home decor piece. I could see it resting in the center of a dining room table. It could be on a coffee table, underneath the Christmas tree. And when you look inside, there are 2 extra large compartments to fill with goodies, or you could put floral foam here and fill it with poinsettias. Let me give you a side view. On the belt here, I have it cut out in black glitter, and it's covered in beautiful rhinestone. Here's a close-up of this beautiful plaid with the pink and the gold. This is the back, and as you can see, we have more of these beautiful pearl and rhinestone buttons. Now that I've given you an overview of these beautiful pants that I've made for Mrs. Claus, I'm going to gather my materials so that we can make a pair for Santa Claus. I'll be right back. To make this project, I used a digital file by SVGCUTS. This is part of a collection called Happy Holidays, and in it are several different projects. We are going to be using the file called Santa Pants. Now you can also purchase this file individually, and on this page you'll see all the pieces that we need to cut out in order to make the Santa Pants gift bag. For this project, I'm using the Graphic 45 Let It Snow collection. This is available at ASC Craft Supplies on their Etsy store or on their website. This file I uploaded into Cricut Design Space, and I cut everything out on my Cricut Maker. So the first items that you will have are the front of the pants. You'll have two pieces that look just like this. You'll have the sides of the pants, and you'll have two of these. These are the squares that will go on the bottom of the bag. And these three pieces are the inner parts of the leg. These are decorative panels for the pants, as well as the cuff. We have the belt buckle. I've cut out the belt in this beautiful navy blue. And then we have the suspenders. I'm going to clear off my desktop so that we can work on the pants first. So I've organized the pieces for our pants. So you have one side panel, and you want to fold it just like so. So you want to make this a mountain, and this is a valley. And then on the bottom here, this is a valley and a mountain. And you want to fold down these tabs on both of these side pieces. And then this is the front of the pants, and here's a little tab here that you want to make sure that you fold in all the way to the top, and then there are tabs on the side. So what we're going to do is glue this side panel to the front, and we're going to take this little tab here, and we're going to line it up to this little area. There's a little indent right here, so it should fit perfectly. And you want to make sure that you align this score mark to this score mark right here. So we're going to glue these tabs together just like so. And we're going to glue this center tab, and then this piece will go right up on the top. Okay, so let's glue one of the panels down now. So we're going to start with this little tab here. Okay, I'm going to line it up. Okay, you want to make sure that you give this tab ample time to dry before you move to the next tab. Okay, now we can put glue on this center panel here. We'll glue this piece down just like so. Okay, and what you want to do is turn this over and just use your bone folder to make sure that there's a nice strong adhesion. And now we're going to put glue on this tab right here. Okay, and there's a slant right here at the top, so you know you're gluing it in the right spot. Now that we have this first panel on, go ahead and glue on the rest of the panels. Now we have the bag secured. What we want to do is grab these two pieces, okay, and you want to make sure you have a valley and then a mountain. These are going to be facing each other just like so. So this will be bent this way, and this will be bent this way. And then you want to take this piece, we're going to line it up so that they're even, and we're going to put glue underneath this tab here and glue underneath this tab, and it should be a piece that looks like this. So go ahead and add your glue now. So your piece should look like this. This is going to fit right inside here, and we're going to glue this side against these two tabs here, and we're going to do that on all four sides. So we're going to put glue on this tab. We want to align this first area on the first tab. Okay, once this tab is glued into place, let's go ahead and add glue to the second tab all the way up to the top. And to reach inside and then glue it just like so. You don't have to be super neat with this because we're going to have decorative panels that are going to cover this. Okay, so we have one side of the leg glued on. Go ahead and do that for the remaining 3 sides. Now that we have the inside seam glued on, let's turn the box around to the top, and we're going to reinforce the top. So you have this tab here with the 2 holes. We're going to glue this down upon itself, just like so. Okay, you're going to do that on all 4 sides. Okay, and that'll make this top part nice and sturdy. So let's go ahead and do that now.
The question for the second hidden giveaway is, what is your favorite Christmas song? Please be sure to include your answer in the description box below. The prize will be from Simple Stories. It's their vintage rustic Christmas. You will receive a 6x8 paper pad. You will receive the Bits and Pieces sampler, foam stickers, as well as the sticker book.
We have our top reinforced. Let's turn this over. And we're going to fold these tabs down. We're going to take these 2 rectangular pieces and we're going to glue them down over the tabs, just like so. And they should fit perfectly. So go ahead and glue these panels down now. Once you have these panels glued on, you want to turn it over and then just take your bone folder and you want to press down the tabs really well on the bottom so that there's a good strong adhesion. Now that we have the bottoms glued to the pants, we can start adding the decorative layers. So I've gathered all of these pieces here. I'm going to work from the bottom up. So the first thing that we're going to grab are the cuffs, and they look like this. There are 2 score lines and they're 3 pieces. So this goes on the bottom all the way around, just like so. There's nothing on the inside here. Okay, and the angle of the paper should line up exactly to the angle of this leg. So go ahead and glue this panel in first, just like so, and do it for both legs. Now we can glue on our pant panels, and in your file you'll have 2 pieces that look like this. You need to cut this out twice so that you can cover the front and back panels, and these are angled just like so. These are going to go down right here, and there's going to be a slight border around it. I've also cut out a piece that looks like this. This is going to go on the side. The file did not come with this, and this measures 3.5 inches wide
By 5 inches tall.
That'll fit right here, just like so. So go ahead and glue down the panels on the front, back, and the side. Now that we have our panels glued on, we can glue on our belt. And you're going to have 2 pieces that look like this with the little holes. And so you just want to line it up just like so. And this will fold around. And then you have the second piece, which will go around the back. So go ahead and glue those down now. Now we need to attach our suspenders. So I have these 2 pieces cut out. I did want to make these sturdier, so I reinforced with a piece of 80-pound cardstock. And to attach it, all we're going to do is put a little bit of glue here on the bottom, align the hole on the suspender with the hole on the belt, just like so. Okay, and you want to glue that on the front and the back. And you want to do that for both sides. So go ahead and do that now. Now we have the suspenders attached. The last piece we need to add is the belt buckle, which will go in the center. I'm not going to glue that down now because I want to decorate the bag.
I'm going to decorate this offline and I'll be back with the final reveal.
This is my completed project and I really love the way it turned out. I used a similar design format as I did for the first set of pants. I really love this graphic 45 Let It Snow paper. I think it's so beautiful and festive and it just sings winter. Similar to the first project, I've outlined this with red rhinestones. We have a large poinsettia here behind it. I have these fun floral picks in blue and silver glitter. We've got a sparkly blue tulle, and a glittery snowflake in the back. On the top here it says Merry Christmas, and we've got a vintage Santa Claus. And then I used these old-fashioned pearl buttons. I thought they were really fun. And on the bottom we have another floral spray with white stamens and more of this beautiful tulle. This concludes my review of my Santa Pants gift bag. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you missed the hidden giveaway in this video, I encourage you to go back and take a look to find the secret clue. Please be sure to join me tomorrow for another fun project. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and Merry Craftmas.